What's going on YouTube? It's Akio here and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be going over the best time frame to trade on to become profitable and become a full-time trader. Now, this is completely objective. You thought I was gonna say subjective, like, oh, it's my opinion. No, it's not. This is completely just the standard, and it's so crazy how you're gonna migrate to just trading on this time frame and looking at this time frame aggressively, looking at these different time frames consistently. Always be like, I don't feel comfortable. I don't want to get involved in that. You know what I mean? Because this time frame says different. Like you're gonna slowly revert to that the more and more you become profitable. Like, dang, he was right. Oh, that E guy from 3 years ago. Oh, look at me now. I'm trading this time frame. So boom, let's get straight into it because this video should not be any longer than like 5 minutes. So boom, the best time frame to trade on is any of the higher time frames. What are the higher time frames? That's from the 1 hour, 4 hour to the daily. Now you don't actually take trades on that, but it's easy to mark up, it's easy to identify where trend is going, it's easy to just see the overall bigger picture. And what I mean by that, just say the chart we're looking at now. If I'm on a 1 minute, 2 minute, what the fuck am I looking at? This literally almost gave me a panic attack. Like my cortisol levels are literally rising as we speak, like literally. So pretty much you don't know what is going on. This is literally the 2 minute chart. We go to the 5 minute chart. What the hell is going on? Like I genuinely don't know what's going on. I can't see where market wants to go. I can't see any structure. I can't see no higher highs, higher lows. I can't see supply and demand, support, resistance. I can't see none of that. But as we slowly begin to go up on the higher time frames, and what I said about a higher time frame, that's the 1 hour to the daily to the weekly. So specifically the 1 hour to the 4 hour is what I'm talking about. The best time frames to trade on. So as we slowly go up, what is slowly happening? Oh shit. It is looking more and more easier to trade. Now I understand because when I was on that lower time frame, I didn't see price create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then price just broke its higher high and starting to form a lower low, meaning this is a reversal. I didn't see that. But on the higher time frame, you see the overall bigger picture. Like you just generally just don't want to get involved in this shit right here. Like who wants to get involved in all that? You can say, oh, but I seen it here. No, you did not. You don't know what the fuck is going on because I don't know what's going on. Like, what is all of this? You don't want to get involved in that. Now let's go to a different chart. Now we're on platinum. Platinum, what is price doing? And this is the best part about the higher time frames. Price, you don't even know where it's going, up or down. It just look like right now, it's just in that little swivel line. It just in this little area right here. It may be going down, it may not. Look, even if I move this line, you don't even know where price is going. But watch this. As I slowly go up, slowly, 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 boom, we on the 4 hour, the best time frame to trade on. 4 hour. This video could have been 30 seconds. The 4 hour, literally. Now we're on a 4 hour. It is easy for us to identify what price is doing and where price wants to go. This is a clean chart you can trade. You see how it's starting to make sense now? You see like, oh, I can actually mark up. I can actually mark up a high. I can actually mark up a low. And I can actually mark up a support and resistance area because I see it now. Only 4 hour. It gave me all the information I need. I see all of this. I see it now, E. You're the best. I see it. You see how fast I marked that up? You see how I can tell where price wants to go? See, watch this. Let's use that same line that we were doing, but for the higher time frames. You see this? Boom. This is the higher time frame, the 4 hour. It's obvious. It's literally obvious where price wanted to go a week ago. It was just selling. It's super obvious. But when it was on a lower time frame, it was all over the place when I pulled the line from the charts. Now, this is simply just an indication and a correction is about to happen, and it's going to start forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Simple ICC. An indication, a correction, a continuation. See how when we begin to go up on the higher time frames, everything looks clean. People's like, how your charts be so clean? Because I'm on the higher time frames. Now we're on the higher time frames, everything looks nice. Now, if I want to go back down to scare you guys, you're like, oh my God, please, please, I'm getting anxiety. Like, what is happening? So yeah, the higher time frames is the best time frames to trade on and to identify, to mark up, wherever you want to do your business. Now, when you get your entries, that's when you want to drop down because it's more candles and you can get in early. But for majority of your marking up, majority of your identifying market structure, identifying trends, identifying anything, and also having a clean setup and knowing where price wants to go, it will be on the higher time frames. But if I had to just strictly pick one, I would specifically say what is the best time frame would be the 4 hour. If I had to pick out of all the higher time frames from the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. But realistically, you want to use all time frames in your favor. It's just not going to be just one. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys want to learn how to trade ICC the way I trade ICC, or if you guys just want any like hands-on one-on-one mentorship, make sure you guys tap that first link that's in the description, or you can DM me on Instagram, which is my same as my YouTube name, and you can type in the DM box mentorship, and it will allow you to book a call with me. Now, walk with truth, walk with power, and may God favor you.